From Jackson, Tennessee, this is Cesar Quispe reporting for Lane College Athletics. Halloween is a unique time of the year. While many parents are finding safe activities for their children to participate in, this year they had the option of participating in a community-oriented truck or treat. Lane College's softball team and its staff encourages its players to participate in events that represent the college positively in the community. We caught up with current players and student coaches about the involvement in this program, and this is what they had to say.
It's just a fun experience for the team to bond with each other and with the community. It gets our name out in the community. Like when kids grow up, they're going to say, oh, Lane College did this, maybe we want to go there. Or it promotes our sports, us as a softball team supports us.
We're doing this event to have children have a good, safe experience for Halloween.
How long have you guys been doing this for?
This is our second year doing it.
Why do you do it?
I do it because I'm part of this team and we love helping out the community.
We're just helping out the community, letting little kids go out and do trick-or-treating somewhere safe where they can have a good, fun environment.
You're one of the student coaches at Lane College. How does this help your team bond?
Just bringing the girls together, doing something good for the community, giving back to the kids, especially many parents work so they're not able to always get off and take their kids trick-or-treating, so it's just good to give back.